Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Sunday, June 29, 2025. Our Sunday Gospel, St. Matthew chapter 16, verses 13 to 19. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 16. Simon Peter answered, "You are the Messiah, the Son of the living God." The Gospel of the Lord. Our message, Jesus the Messiah. Si Jesus ang Mesiyas. In Hebrew, the name Jesus is derived from Yeshua, which means Yahweh is salvation or the Lord saves. In the Bible, the term Messiah in Hebrew or Christ in Greek refers to an anointed one, chosen by God for a specific purpose, typically a leader or a savior. First, Jesus was the divine, true, and only one Savior that God gave to us. Si Jesus ang banal, totoo at nag-iisang tagapagligtas na ibinigay ng Diyos sa atin. Second, Jesus was the great love, power, and life of God that we may have it in our lives. Si Jesus ay ang dakilang pag-ibig, kapangyarihan at buhay ng Diyos upang magkaroon tayo nito sa ating buhay. Third, Jesus was instituted his church since through St. Peter that all people may have salvation to whoever who enter to it. Si Jesus ay tinatag ang kanyang simbahan mula pa sa pamamagitan ni San Pedro upang ang lahat ng tao ay magkaroon ng kaligtasan sa sino mang papasok dito. Good morning and God bless us all.